Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Camelbak Eddy Kids Bite Valve replacement is probably one of the most essential accessories for parents looking to keep their children's water bottles hygienic and fully functional, ensuring that those beloved Eddy bottles continue to be a reliable source of hydration for active youngsters without the worry of leaks or worn-out parts, making it a crucial purchase for maintaining the longevity and usability of their favorite drinkware. Number 5. Camelbak Eddy Plus Bite Valve and Straw Replacement Set. Is your bottle not delivering the smooth sips it used to? This replacement set helps restore consistent flow, making every sip feel like it's from a brand new bottle. Enjoy worry-free hydration on the go. The one-piece silicone bite valve self-seals after every sip, preventing annoying drips and spills, even during active use. These parts are specifically designed to fit your Eddy Plus straw cap bottles. You can count on reliable alignment and dependable performance every time you use them. Don't replace your whole bottle when just a few parts are worn. These easy-to-replace components help keep your bottle in use longer, reducing the need for unnecessary full replacements. Keeping your bottle fresh and clean has never been easier. The dishwasher-safe components simplify maintenance, ensuring fresh-tasting hydration every single day. What we like. This set is designed to bring your favorite bottle back to life. It ensures a consistent flow and leak-proof confidence, extending the overall life of your bottle. If you are looking to revive an older Eddy Plus bottle and avoid a full replacement, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This is a great replacement for the original bite valve. It fits perfectly and is easy to clean. My kids love it and it works just like the original. Number 4. Camelbak Eddy Plus Kids Replacement Set. Keep messes to a minimum with these bite valves. They seal securely after each sip, making them perfect for school, car rides, or any adventure. These replacement parts are designed exclusively for Eddy Plus Kids bottles. Ensure a perfect fit for your child's favorite water bottle. The soft silicone bite valves open with just a gentle bite. This supports comfortable and independent sipping for your growing child. This set includes 4 bite valves and 4 matching straws. It's perfect for having backups or easily replacing worn-out parts. Cleaning is a breeze as these parts are dishwasher safe. They are built to withstand regular, everyday use for busy families. What we like. Specifically made for the Eddy Plus Kids bottles, this pack offers leak-proof and spill-resistant sipping with a soft silicone bite valve. If you have young children who need a reliable and easy-to-use bottle for school or on the go, this 4-pack is ideal for busy families. What people say. The bite valve replacement is a perfect fit for the Camelbak Eddy Kids bottle. Easy to install and use, making the bottle functional again. Durable material that holds up well to regular use. Number 3. Camelbak Eddy Plus Kids Replacement Bite Valves and Straws. Ensure your child stays hydrated with these essential replacement parts. They are designed for easy cleaning, making your life simpler. This pack comes with 2 complete sets of bite valves and straws. You'll always have a spare on hand for busy days. These are specifically designed to fit Eddy Plus Kids caps. Enjoy a secure and compatible fit every time. Say goodbye to spills and messes. These are engineered for mess-free sipping, perfect for active kids on the go. Crafted from 100% plastic, they are built for everyday use. They can withstand the rigors of active lifestyles. Cleaning is a breeze as all parts are top-rack dishwasher safe. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying adventures. What we like. This accessory provides 2 sets of clear bite valves and straws, making cleaning a breeze with top-rack dishwasher safe parts. If you need a straightforward, spill-proof solution for your Eddy Plus Kids caps and prefer a clear aesthetic, this 2-pack is a practical option. What people say. The bite valve replacement works perfectly with the Camelbak Eddy Kids bottle. Easy to replace and fits snugly, ensuring no leaks. The valve is durable and has held up well with daily use. Number 2. Camelbak Eddy Kids Bite Valves, 4-pack. Introducing the Camelbak Eddy Kids Bite Valves, designed for mess-free hydration. These are spill-proof and safe for your little ones. Cleaning up is a breeze with these bite valves. They are designed for simple disassembly and quick washing. For ultimate convenience, simply place them on the top rack of your dishwasher. They are designed to withstand the heat and cleaning cycles. Keep your child's favorite bottle working like new with this 4-pack. They provide a durable and reliable replacement. Ensure your kids stay hydrated wherever they go. These bite valves are perfect for school, playdates, and outdoor adventures. What we like. These one-piece bite valves are spill-proof, child-safe, and incredibly easy to clean, coming in a convenient 4-pack. If you're a parent looking for a simple, durable, and safe replacement for your Eddy Kids bottles, this multicolor pack offers great value and peace of mind. What people say. The bite valve replacement works perfectly with the Camelbak Eddy bottle. Easy to install and use, making the bottle functional again. Durable material that holds up well to regular use by children. Number 1. Camelbak Eddy Kids Replacement Bite Valves. Ensure a perfect fit for your child's hydration needs. These are designed specifically for Eddy Kids bottles, guaranteeing compatibility. Say goodbye to spills and messes. The one-piece silicone valves automatically seal after every sip, keeping drinks contained. Encourage independent drinking with a simple flip, bite, and sip action. It provides a steady flow of water without needing to tilt. Built to last through daily adventures. The robust silicone construction is safe for children and made for repeated use. Keep their bottles fresh with ease. These are top-rack dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning and come in a convenient 2-pack. What we like. This replacement set is exclusively designed for Camelbak Eddy Kids bottles, offering a leak-resistant bite valve and an easy flip, bite, and sip design for independent hydration. If you have the specific Eddy Kids bottles, and not Eddy Plus, and prioritize a leak-resistant, durable option for your child's daily use, this 2-pack in ice blue is a great fit. What people say. The bite valve replacement works perfectly with the Camelbak Eddy bottle. Easy to install and use, making the bottle functional again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.